About this item convenient, the BOSCH RH540M combo rotary hammer features the SDS-Max bit system for tool-free bit changes with automatic bit locking, dust protection and maximum impact energy transfer rate power. This rotary hammer provides the best-in-class impact energy of 6.1 foot lbs weighing only 15.2 pounds. The RH540M provides maximum productivity in all-day drilling and chiseling applications. Versatile, the RH540M features a combination dual-mode selector knob to allow users to select between hammer drilling, chiseling only and the Vario lock function. Efficient, with Vario lock positioning, the rotary hammer rotates and locks chisel into 12 different positions to optimize working angle. The tool also comes complete with service minder brushes to notify users when maintenance is needed. Variable speed, the variable speed dial allows for controlled drilling and chiseling applications. The motor is rated at 170 to 340 RPM in rotary mode and 1200 to 2750 BPM in hammer mode, which will easily reduce concrete to dust. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item convenient, the BOSCH RH540M combo rotary